Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use Meta AI for beginners. Now, if you've never used AI assistants before, so like ChatGPT or Perplexity, you can view this AI as your assistant who is all knowing and super intelligent. They have large data sets from the internet, which basically gives them the knowledge of almost everything. So imagine you have someone and you put them in a room and you told them to learn from the entire internet. This is basically what AI assistants are. First, before we can start using this, we'll need to log in first. So let's log in. I'm going to log in with Instagram and I'm going to log in. And then now we're logged in, we can start using Meta AI. Now, the way you can use AI assistants like this is basically like chatting with a person, right? You just have to ask them question or tell them to do something, right? So, for example, I want to ask them what 2 plus 2. Whoops, I accidentally pressed that. Let me correct that. Let's what's plus 2 plus 2, like that. Something like that. And there you go. You see, they gave me an answer right away. Now let's ask something more complex, like what is the earth? Or something like that. And they'll give us a option or a answer like this, right? It's super intelligent. The other thing that Meta AI can do is make an image. So for example, if I say, imagine a guy, and I click on press, there you go. Now they imagined or made a couple of images from me. If you want to make an image, the keyword is imagine. So imagine a burger or imagine pizza. Let me show you one more time. Imagine pizza. And then they'll AI generate a couple of images for me. They can even do really complex stuff like code me an HTML website, something like this. And there you go. They'll give you a code for a website. So this kind of AI is super intelligent. It's just like ChatGPT or other AI assistants. You can treat it as like a very intelligent person, and you can use this to help you with your homework or your work or any other thing that you can imagine with. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.